We're going for our first tank. You're so cute. Your chunky monkey saddle. It's over. Okay, I'll put the stirrups up one. Stand. Back up. Good girl, stand. Standing. Go on. Good girl. Good girl. Maybe I should have brought an extra. Definitely needs to be done up. The hole. There we go. Why is the saddle pad slipping back? I don't know. Good girl, Cody. I know this is very hard work for you. I know. So you've never been in the forest alone and you've only been in here once. But you're doing very, very well. Good girl. We're gonna have some canters. I don't know why your saddle pad is slipping back so much. It wasn't like that yesterday when the saddle fiddle was there. Okay? I don't like the GoPro being on my head. I need to sort out the chest mount. It's so heavy on my head and it just keeps like making my hat fall forward. Okay, we had a bit of a nappy situation, which I'm annoyed I didn't get on the GoPro. She basically just stopped and turned around, which I'm kind of not surprised about. I think we'll do like a small loop. I don't know. We'll just see how she is. Good girl. I know it's scary. We'll do a small loop and then we'll go the way that she knows, because then it's quite nice for her. Come on. Cody. Cody, stop. I know people are going to be like, you shouldn't have hit her, but she needs to be told that she can't do what she wants to do. This isn't her being scared or anything, it's literally her being nappy, and she does that quite a lot. She's like, tries to tell you that no, she's not going to go that way, she wants to go this way, and if you don't tell her, then she'll just keep doing it. And that's where her barginess and stubbornness and when she runs away from people comes from. Yeah? You can trot up here if you want. Oh God. God. It's like a... Ah! Can't see Codie. Codie! My God. Oh my God. Can you stop breathing like that as well? Oh my God. At least I don't have brakes. Why are you so out of breath? This bit does nothing. It feels like she's just pulling on me. Can we go for a trot? Codie? Why are you breathing like this? Are we gonna have to go back to the yard? Codie? Oi! There's a little jump, jump! Whee! Codie! Ooh. Ooh. Codie. Why are you breathing like this? Why are you so strong? Good. Stop it. There we go. Hello. This is one unfit pony. I don't know why she's breathing like this though. Is this just her out of breath and like unfit? I hope it is. Because she was fine before she decided to run off. We'll trot down here. If she wants to canter, she can canter, but just because I want to see if I'll have brakes. I know that's the stupidest way of seeing, but oh well, it's just a little hill, so oh no, we're not doing this one. We'll do it. Yes, yes, yes. We'll canter on the strip coming back. She's so strong. Why are you so strong? We'll have a trot up here now that she's caught her breath back. She definitely needs some sort of stronger bit or just a different bit, 'cause she really just hangs on this. Like she's just hanging on it. Trotting. You can canter if you want. Oh, you good pony! Hello. Oh, you good pony! That was so good! Oh. Oh, walking. Oh, catch your breath back. That was really good, to be fair. I think she just needs her head. You can catch your breath back before we do a little canter up here. If I'm being honest, I didn't expect her to be this out of breath and like this unfit. But I mean, I don't know what else I expected. But yeah, we trotting. Trotting downhill is really good for you. Oh shit. Codie! Okay, she's not actually fast. She like lost it. Oh. You were disunited that entire time. Just do a nice trot. Get your breath back. Oh. Nice trot. And ooh. Oh. She's so strong! Codie! She like bombed the first bit and then she just lost momentum and like energy and she got so tired. Oh, Codie. We'll walk the rest of the way back, don't worry. To be fair, guys, that wasn't me that was asking her to canter. She just went into canter. She's so strong. I kind of want to go around again, but I'm not going to. That's enough for her today. She's very, very out of breath, very, very unfit. We will come back out tomorrow, but you're very wide, and that tracks for very skinny punters. Okay, you know what we'll do? We'll then go back the loop that we'll go the long loop. Good girl. I just want you to have like a cool down after that, because that was very unnecessary. But you're not even fast, and then she was disunited the entire time whilst we were cantering. I don't think she doesn't need a stronger bit, she just needs a different bit because she just hangs on this. Good girl. It's the first session of fitness camp complete. Let's see if she knows the way back. Oh no, Codie! Why are you like this? This is what she does when you're leading her. Good girl. Oh, she's so tired from that. To be fair, you did it yourself. It's your own fault. For a barefoot pony, she's actually really, really good with her feet and like where to put them, and she's not tripped at all, which is very, very good. Good girl. Good girl. Then you go back, and I think I'll give her some recovery mash just to get some water back into her, purely because I'll see if she'll drink water when we get back, but if not, then I'll give her some mash, purely because she's so out of breath. She's recovering well though. No! Codie! Oh. Codie! Oh, you don't know where we're going. Well, all of that cool down walk was for nothing, because she just bolted back up the hill. Why are you like this? Oh my word. Codie, you were meant to be cool. You were meant to be calm. To be honest, you just have to laugh at her because she loses her energy so fast. The only thing uncomfortable about the bolting is that she does it disunited, so it's quite uncomfy, but it's fine. We'll sort that out when we sort out the bolting. You kind of just have to sit there because you know that she'll just lose her energy and then she'll just stop because she can't be bothered to continue going. Oh, the trees. I was worried the first time that we went through this that she wouldn't fit through here, but she does fit. Sorry to keep fat shaming you, Codie, but you are very fat. I know it's not your fault. You just love food too much. But if we do this quite a few times a week, you will get very fit. Oh, she's sweaty. She's sweaty on this side, the non-clipped side. So I'm clipping her later. I'm clipping the other half later. So hopefully she won't be as sweaty anymore. Oh, she's very different to Kenny. That's for sure. She's been very, very good though. Very good, very happy with you. Apart from the bolting, but it's funny and you get tired, so it doesn't really count as bolting. No, it does not. Good pony. We'll go up the muddy track so you don't have to go over the stones. Good pony. Good girl. I know, it's tiring, but come on. Don't bolt up here. We don't bolt up here. You need to get your heart rate down. We don't bolt. No, we do not. Good girl. Funny horse. Hello, are you a bit itchy? Okay. Come on then. Come on then. Boop. Oh, you're a little bit sunburnt. A bit sunburnt. Giving you a little wash off. You're very dirty. Good pony. You're a very good pony. You're a good pony. I'll see you later. With your pink nose. Hello. Oh, Codie, you're all clipped. Even the leggies are clipped. You could go. Oh, this pony is so funny. You are so funny. I'll explain more when we get to the field. Completely forgot I was meant to pick the ragwort and poo pick, but I forgot, so oh well. But anyway, Codie has been clipped. I think she looks so smart now. The little clipped legs. Once we get rid of that belly and that booty, she's gonna look so smart. Oh, I need to get you sun cream. That's what I need to do. Sun cream. Yes. The main thing of today's video was that we went for our first hack. Codie had her saddle fitted yesterday. Well, she got a new saddle and then it was fitted yesterday. So we went for a hack this morning and I think she enjoyed it. She's very, very unfit, as you would have seen, and she bolts, which is interesting to know. She's great, just great. She bolted a couple of times, but because she's so unfit, it kind of didn't really feel like anything, and she stopped after a while, which isn't bad at all. Ignore the banging in the background. That's like fencing going up in one of the fields. Hello. Hello. Oh, you a bit itchy. So yeah, she bolts, which is fun. She was very good otherwise. She's very, very unfit, as you would have seen. So lots to do, lots to work on, but I think that she's going to be a lot of fun. Tomorrow we're going into school and just doing a bit of schooling, maybe a bit of pole work, just to work that belly off. And then Friday we might hack again, I'm not sure. We'll just see how it goes. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye everybody. Goodbye Codie. So I don't care. She just doesn't care about anything. Okay, goodbye everybody.